Now to an update on a story that we've been following for years. That would be the opioid epidemic. Purdue Pharma, which makes OxyContin, has filed for bankruptcy. But the story is not over yet. Meg Tirrell explains.
It's the end of a chapter for Purdue Pharma, but just the beginning of a new one in the saga of litigation over the opioid epidemic. Purdue's bankruptcy filing was part of an arranged process to try to settle the thousands of cases filed against it from cities, counties, states, and others, claiming Purdue helped cause the crisis of opioid addiction that's claimed 400,000 lives over 2 decades. The bankruptcy plan, which would turn Purdue over to plaintiffs in a deal it values at about $10 billion, comes with the agreement of more than 20 states, but at the opposition of at least 10 others.
We have 24 that are already agreed to this. There are some states that have been vocal in their objection, thinking that there may be more money. I don't know what their objections, in total may be, but I remain hopeful that we will get to a solution that they can all buy into.
The final resolution through bankruptcy has to be voted on by creditors, according to attorney Joe Rice of Motley Rice. He's one of the co-lead attorneys for the thousands of plaintiffs in the federal multi-district litigation that consolidated more than 2,000 cases from cities and counties. They're supportive of the agreement with Purdue, but several states, including New York, effusively oppose it and are now sharpening their focus on the billionaire Sackler family that owns Purdue Pharma. The New York Attorney General's office said Friday it had tracked about $1 billion in wire transfers by the family, including through Swiss bank accounts. New York is among states that have named individual Sackler family members in their lawsuits. The Sackler family said, quote, "There's nothing newsworthy about these decade-old transfers, which were perfectly legal and appropriate in every respect." Meanwhile, the litigation continues for several other defendants, from Johnson & Johnson to Teva to drug distributors like McKesson, AmerisourceBergen, and Cardinal Health. Rice said they've filed a motion to sever Purdue from the trial set to begin in late October in Ohio, and hopes other companies may step forward to try to resolve the case on a global basis. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Tirrell.